Thank you, everybody. How are we feeling? All right, we're all gonna teach a little Bollywood dance number. Are you ready to do some dancing with us? Excellent. So, Bollywood, for those of you who may not be familiar, it's a name given to the film industry based in Mumbai in India. They make lots and lots of films. And what we love are the ones that are over the top, melodramatic, and you can pretty much tell the whole story by watching the songs. The films are full of songs, so first song, two people meet each other and they're a bit skeptical of each other. So there's a song and dance about that, big competitive. And then they fall in love. And then there's a song and dance about that. And then some evil people try and break them up. It could be just random baddies or it could be family. And then there's a sad song usually, and maybe a fight scene. And then everybody lives happily ever after because love wins as it should. Then people get married, there's usually a big wedding scene, and everyone lives happily ever after doing another song and dance number there as well. All right, so we're going to kind of recreate a bit of Bollywood dance number here with you. Are you ready? You need space on either side. Good. And at the front and at the back. So do a little turning around, make sure you got space all around you. Try and send the kids to the front so that they can see as well. And what we like to do is we'd like to tell a story as we go along so that it's easy to remember what's coming next in the dance routine. Are you ready? How many of you have done Bollywood dancing before? Can I see a show of hands? Okay, great. We've got some helpers in the crowd, everyone. So make sure you turn to the helpers if you need to, but should be pretty easy breezy for you. Today's story is about planning a party. How many people have planned a party or been involved or got roped into planning a party? All right, so first we're gonna blow up some balloons. And luckily someone's gotten us a balloon pump. So we're gonna get the balloon pump and towards the station side, we're gonna pump down and then pump up. Ready? Super easy, all right. So down, down, up, up, great. Down, down, up, up, excellent. And then someone's asking you, where do we put all these balloons? You say, all over the room. Okay, so you're going from this side, and then just tell them to put it wherever they want just to fill up the room. So we're going down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and fill up the room with the balloons. Excellent. All right, we're going to do the same to the other side, more balloons. All right, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and then fill up the room with the balloons. Now, with Bollywood dancing, we want you to be over the top. So move your whole body. So we're going to be bouncing as we do this balloon pumping, bouncing as we show people where to go, because that makes it even more fun, and then people will do what you need them to do. All right, let's try that with some music, please. And always be moving when there's music. Here we go. Pump, pump, show them where it goes. Other side, pump, pump, show them where it goes. Again, very good. Good. Excellent. All right, so now I'm not seeing everybody getting into it, so we want to see more people dancing now that you've seen how easy it is. We're going to go on to the next phase. Now, your friends and family have helped you blow up so many balloons, you can't see where to go in the room, and you need to knock the balloons out of the way. You do that with your elbow. So elbow that's closest to the riverside goes first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is why you have to make sure you've got space on either side so you're not whacking into your neighbors here, okay? So just stretch your arms out before you do it. And we go elbow. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And feel free to lift the leg on the opposite side as you go. Just making sure you're not hitting or kicking anyone. All right, let's try that with the music, please. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Get those balloons out of the way. Looking good. Throw those arms up. Excellent work. All right. Next part. You have kept yourself the most enjoyable job, which is throwing glitter on the tables. All right, so pretend you've got tables in front of you, and you've got glitter to throw on these tables just to decorate the tables. And you're going to throw riverside, throw forward to the riverside, then throw forward to the station side, and then double up on the riverside. This table needs a little bit more. Then you go station, river, station, station. Yeah, you see the pattern? 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double. Here we go. 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double. And feel free to throw it wherever you want. 1, 2, double. So you can go low, 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 or high, high, high. Or you can go low, low, high, low, low, high. Okay? So wherever you want the glitter to go, but we've got to keep to the same sides. Are you ready? All right, let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's do that with the music. Five, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Excellent work. All right, can we do those 4 steps from the beginning? I'll call out when the changes are happening, but also there's a little bit of freestyle music at the beginning, so you can't stand still. No statues. Freestyle, okay? Here we go, from the top, please. 5, 6, 7, pump. And tell them where to put it. That's it. Pump. Very good. Elbows. Glitter. Elbows. Oh, in the wrong way. That's all right. Glitter. Very good. All right, you're doing much better than me with directions. Okay, so the next part. Someone's come and told you that they need to get something from the storeroom and it's high and you need to get on a stepladder and pull some extra tablecloths down because you've got more people coming to this party than you originally invited, as happens sometimes. So you're in a storeroom, you're on a stepladder, and you're pulling down extra tablecloths. So you're going to join your hands together like this. We're going to go station side and pull down like this, and then get some more from the other side and pull down. Up and down. So you're making kind of like a figure 8. As you can see, very good, doing really well. Excellent. So let's go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's try that with the music, please. Here we go. Down and down. Down and down. Pull it down. Nice work. All right, we're going to go now from the elbows. Start with the elbows. And glitter. Elbows. And glitter. All right, pull down. Very good. That is looking great. Couple more steps to go. You following the story so far? All right, excellent. Next step. You're up on this stool or you're up on this step ladder and you're trying to get down and you go for a bit of a tumble. This is how we do our tumble. And then get up. Okay, so it's a little step forward, step back. Step forward, step back. And bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. And you make it very dramatic so that everybody around you sees how much work you're doing. So you stumble and get up and stumble and get up. All right? And then your friend who's helping you will grab you and make sure you're safe. Okay? And that step looks like this. So just go in for a hug, one arm on top of the other, and just help balance your friend. Okay? Friend is helping balance you. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stumble, stumble, good. Hold 2, 3, 4. Stumble, stumble, hold 2, 3, 4. That's it. Let those hips shake. And we're gonna try that with the music. Stumble and grab your friend. Here we go. So it's a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and stumble, stumble. Very nice. Stumble, stumble. All right, let's go from elbows. Glitter. Elbows. Glitter. Very nice. Pull down, and stumble. Pull down again. Stumble. Yeah, that's looking really good. All right, I think they're ready. Are you ready to go from the top? Let's do it without the music first. Let's walk it through. From the beginning, we're organizing a party, blowing up some balloons. Help me blow up some balloons. 1, 2, and show everyone where to put the balloons. 1, 2, show everyone where to put the balloons. Friends come in late, they didn't get the memo, so you need to brief them. Pump, pump, show everyone where to put them. Pump, pump, show everyone where to put them. Room is now filled with balloons. You have to make your way through with your elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, glitter, 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 glitter. Again, elbows, 2, 3, 4, glitter, 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 glitter. Then someone tells you you need to pull more things down from cupboards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go for a bit of a stumble. 2 stumbles, and your friend helps to steady you, which is super helpful. So again, you have to get more things down from the cupboard. So you repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stumble, stumble, hold 2, 3, 4, and done. And we want a big ta-da when we're done, right, with the music. Are you ready to go with the music? Excellent. Let's go from the top with the freestyle. 5, 6, 7, and pump. Again. Very nice. All right. Elbows through the balloons and glitter. More elbows. Glitter. Are you ready to pull things down from cupboards? Here we go. Stumble. Pull down. Stumble. And a big ta-da to finish. Yeah. Give yourselves a big round of applause. How are we doing for time, Ajay? All good? One more? Or one more? One more. All right. We've got time to do it one more time now that you're all set. Are you ready? All right. We're going to go full energy from the beginning, including freestyle. No standing still. Here we go. Five, 6, 7, and. Oh, well done. Elbows. Glitter. Well done. Woo. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Thank you so much for joining us.
Big round of applause, people.